Hi kids, I'm Miss Joanna and I'm here to read you another story. It's story time, it's story time. Look, listen, wow. And today's book is titled The Boy and the Bear. This book is written by Tracey Corderoy and illustrated by Massini. The activity is for you to make the paper boat, and you can even write messages like the boy and the bear. You can write boo like they did, or where are you, and let it float and send a message to someone else. Now, all you need for this boat, I'm going to show you how to do it. All you need for this boat is an A4 paper. It could be a white paper or it could be a colored paper. Now, you take this paper and you fold it lengthwise, like this. Okay? And press it down. You open it again and fold it the other way. Now, once you get this, you're going to do 2 triangles. 1 and 2 equal triangles, and you press them down. Then you take one flap and you press it down. You turn it and you do the same with the other flap and press it firmly down. Now the corners, we're going to fold them behind. 1 and you fold the other one, 2, to get a pointy corner, and you do the same on the other side. You fold this one behind and then the other one to the front, and you have a triangle again. Now you're going to open it. It's like you have a hat, and you press it to get a big diamond. See, I have a big diamond. But you're going to take one corner and join it with the corner at the top. Okay? You turn it. You take the other corner to get another triangle. Okay? And press it down. And you are back with a smaller triangle this time. Alright? You open it and you get another small diamond, and always pressing down the paper. You got a smaller diamond, and now comes the trick for the boat. You take one part from up here and the other part, you open it, you press it firmly down like this, and here you have your paper boat, which you can let it float in the water, or you can even write here any messages you want to send. I hope you enjoyed my story today, and you will join me again for another story. Bye!